Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, this is the video of me flat ironing and doing a deep cut of Sydney's newly relaxed natural, well, I can't say natural anymore, 4C hair. So the day that I did the relaxer, I put it in a ponytail, and then the next day, a loose ponytail. The next day, she's been wearing it like that for a week with that conditioner in it. So I finally rinsed out the conditioner, and now it is time to apply all the products that I need to make her hair get the shine and strength and protection. I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner. Then that is going to be a heat protectant. And next I'm going to apply a serum by Mazzani. It's really good. It's like a grapefruit. It's their smooth line, I believe. They sent me a package a while back, and I didn't use their shampoo and conditioner on her hair, but I use that serum for everything. There it is right there. And I'm just going to apply that evenly, make sure everything is touching each strand and the base of her hair. Now it's time to section out her hair and detangle it as I'm going. And this part I was dreading, but oh my God, it's just so much easier for us now. Like, it's a world of a difference. Throughout the video, you will still see that Sydney struggles with getting her hair done. This was not like the magic fix. Everything is just so great now because she still is tender-headed. It didn't take away her tender-headedness, but it alleviated a lot of pain and stress for us. So as you can see, you will see that Sydney is crying throughout this video because, one, I'm going to use a hot comb, and Sydney does not like combs. And I realized at the base of Sydney's hair, she sweats. You know, we were sweating doing her hair. I'm not even going for it. It was because I'm trying to do the best that I can without hurting her. And then she's kind of still in pain, and I'm trying to be gentle, and I'm just trying to make it easy for her. And I was sweating, she was sweating, and the base of her hair, it became wet, so it kind of bulked up again. Like, I didn't blow dry it after the blow dry. I'll let you see. And plus, her hair is not all the way through. Somebody made the comment like, her hair, it didn't you should have left it on longer, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted her hair still to be full, thick. I want to keep the thickness of her hair, so I did what was right for me. So I'm going to take these sections, and I'm just going to blow dry it out. I kind of wanted to do as small sections, but I kind of want it to be done. So, you know, smaller sections for a blow dry, but I'll let you guys just watch this. the more that I blow dry her hair, the more I'm like, yes, my baby has beautiful hair, no matter if it's natural or if it's relaxed. It's beautiful. Look at it. And as I'm blow drying it, I realize that I have to do like a deep cut, like a thorough cut, because those ends were not it. As I combed through her hair, the ends were just like crunchy. You know, when you have crunchy ends, it's time to take care of those. Right here. Like it's just, so usually I would press it out first and then I would cut it and then go into curling, but I realized it was just going to be too much for us. So after the blow dry, I just went ahead and started cutting. I cut a lot before I got to this part, and the angle was all messed up, so I couldn't get a good cut, and I was trying to show y'all. So I had her stand up so I can get a more accurate cut, which I did here. And I cut off a lot, but I feel good about cutting it off because it's nothing like having healthy hair. It feels so good. And plus, by doing this, her hair will grow back so good. Now I'm going to go in and cut even more, cut some layers into her hair, just because it was a lot that needed to be cut and I wasn't being generous. I did what I needed to do, but I can say I should have did a little bit more, but I'll give her another cut within like 2 months. So, but always get a cut, y'all. Don't be trying to save that hair that is just crunchy. The ends look a mess. They're up and down, zigzag. Just cut it. Your hair will grow back. Your hair loves to be healthy. Remember that. We love healthy hair, and our hair loves to be healthy. You know what I mean? So do what you got to do. So I am done with the cut. Here's Sydney. It was like torture for her, but her ends thickened back up and it was hard to like comb through. So we're done with that. It's looking good. It's looking healthy. Like I said, I'll give her another cut within a month or 2, maybe 3. And I'm adding a little bit more heat protectant to her hair because it does have a little shine to it as well. And I want Sydney's hair to be nice, healthy, and shiny. So I'm going to section it out. And this, because her roots puff back up, I am going to go back in with a pressing comb just to hit the base of her hair, make it even with the rest of her hair. She did not like this pressing comb. She saw it. She was like, "Mom, you're going to press my hair? You're going to use that comb?" I was like, yes, just a little bit, you know, but it made a world of a difference. I just tried to hit the base, but sometimes I did go down the hair And the key to it is you have to use the back of the pressing comb. So it's like flipping your wrist so the back side, that flat surface, can really, that's what smooths the hair. So I was trying to do it with her, but I ended up doing it, and it is like magical. So guys, don't worry about if you think this is too much heat. I did do it like usually I do high heat on my hair, but I lowered the heat for her. And also, don't be scared about heat. As long as you protected the hair, that's fine. And if you are not adding heat every day, that's the thing. You can't do this to your hair. Use this heat, and then every day go back in with the same heat. Do not. This is the first and the last time, because Sydney said, Mom, I don't want this style again. She was like, I don't care for it. I don't want it. And I was like, that's fine. You don't have to get it again. But don't. Applying heat every day is just, you don't want hair. Your hair is going to be damaged. It's going to fall out. And we all know what heat can do. So avoid it as much as possible. I would say put heat in your hair at least once every 3 months, or go to a professional. Do not put heat in your hair every day. Do not. Please don't. But I'll let you guys sit and watch this. Sydney's like over it. And I will say that I have to go back in some areas. And when I was flat ironing her hair, the ends were so bad that it wouldn't let me curl it because the comb wouldn't go through. So I just went in with the comb and combed it out. And then I got some scissors. This part right here, I'm flat ironing it, but the end, it wouldn't let me be great. So, oh, I thought that was it. I don't know. It might be the next part. But I went in with the scissors. I cut a little bit more off the ends, and then the comb went right through it. So I'm sure that wasn't the part, but I'm sure you guys will notice what I'm talking about. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down in the comment section, and I will get back to you. You know, we love to chat, and I love taking your advice. You guys said do a silk press on her hair, and that's what I'm doing now. And yeah, let's just have a gathering in the comment section. So I'll just allow you guys just to watch without hearing my mouth, and I'll pop back in a few. I just love the way Sydney's hair is super thick. I'm going to try my best to maintain her hair. You guys, let me know what styles that I can do with her hair. I'm not really sure. now that her hair is in a different state. So I need some suggestions. Braids will be a must. Braids will be back in her hair within a month. That's always going to be our holy grail hairstyle here. Look at her crying. I'm sorry, Sid. But it's always going to be a transition, just learning new styles for her because I'm not used to her hair being straightened like this. So let me know some more styles that I can put in her hair. I'm proud of Sydney's hair, whether it be relaxed or natural. It's still beautiful. So if you are deciding what you want to do to your hair and your child's hair, look at the state of it now, see what will be best for her or your child. If their hair is already breaking off, I don't think you should get a relaxer. Just go to a professional and they will tell you they will give you great tips and suggestions. I am almost done. This is the last 2 pieces for Sydney's hair. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. You guys went crazy on that last video I did. Do the same for this one. Because you guys told me to do this. I know her curls aren't the best, but this is good for a 9-year-old. I wasn't trying to be all super sleek, and this is good for her. Matter of fact, right here is she's going to school. She put a scarf on last night. No, I don't wrap her hair. I don't wrap because that's not good for your edges. So I just put a bonnet. I kind of tuck her hair to the side or smooth it on the side and then put a bonnet on or a silk scarf. Wrapping is a no-go for me. I learned that with my hair, so I'm not going to do it to Sydney's hair. But here's a little Sebastian shaper. She's loving her hair. I love it too. And I thank you guys for watching. Please share this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Let's have a discussion in the comments about whatever you guys want to talk about because it's always something good. But I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.